Hello and welcome to the channel. This Chinese elm is one of the first bonsais I purchased 8 years ago. Over those 8 years I've done repots, wiring and clever pruning techniques to build this tree to what it is now. And finally, after 8 years of that care, it's finally transitioning from pre-bonsai to bonsai. Let's get started. I'm happy with the shape of this tree. What I'll be doing is just nipping back all new growth. Just a bit of sun, you can see the growth explosion on this. Going to be it on this tree. I've got another Chinese elm which is looking very scruffy at the moment. That's basically it really on this tree for now. Here's what it looked like before. If you would like to follow the progression of this tree through the summer and heading into winter, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching. In my next video, I will be transforming this Chinese elm. If you would like to see the results of this tree, please subscribe.